Yeah. Now we're doing our fourth one. This time, my dad pulled my donut up the hill because I couldn't.
Do you want to spin you?
Yes, please.
Yeah?
That would be very, very funny.
Go on then. Run front.
Guys, you might want to not see this because my dad's actually gonna spin me.
Right, hang on a minute. Wait a minute. Alright, you ready?
Oh my god! Yeah, this is more scary. I like this a lot. Oh my, oh no, oh no, oh! Oh no! Guys, I just screamed, oh no!